Next, we will show how to use the HD3308 Professional 8 Rollers Pouch Laminator machine. Before laminating, the user must be familiar with the functions of each button control and the screen display information. Set the desired speed and suitable temperature according to the pouch film thickness. Once the screen display shows full ready bar, the user may start laminating. To use the reverse mode, keep on pressing the reverse button. Before turning off the machine, please change into the cold mode to cool down the rollers. You can turn off the machine after 3 to 5 minutes. Laminate your paper now with HD3308 Professional 8 Rollers Pouch Laminator Machine. Contact us for more details.